Hey, Heather from HookedOnPickin.com here. I told you I was going to give you an update on my storage unit items and what I could sell, so here's the update. All right, so many of you know, if you've watched any of my videos, and if you haven't, check them out. I went and bought 3 separate storage units, and it was kind of a hot mess. It was definitely an experience for me, and I ended up spending about $110 just purchasing the 3 separate units, but then incurred about $260 odd, well, about $250 more of expenses by having to rent a U-Haul, and then also with all the trash I had left over, we threw it away. And if you haven't seen my landfill video, check that one out, because I actually do go to a legitimate landfill to get rid of some of the stuff that wasn't worth it. So these are the things that I found that were in good, clean condition. There were a lot of things that I gave away to charity. And then I've still got some boxes that I'm going to do some posting as well. This entire box right here is all going to get posted on eBay because I felt like it was all still in good condition. So I've got some cool, neat kind of pictures. Yarn. This just simply wasn't on Amazon. I've got a lot of crafting stuff. And so if you check out my eBay site in the future, you're probably going to see some of the craft lots that I put together with some of this kind of stuff. This is a perfect time of the year to do it. A lot of crafting goes on around the holidays. I've got some hats, and then I've got some Christmas items here, some lighted Santa Clauses and ornaments and things like that. So basically the reason why these are not on Amazon is simply there was no listing for them, or it wasn't worth it to put on Amazon. Another thing that I got in the storage units is in one of the units I found all these phones. And so this is a Samsung Galaxy 3, and then I got all these 3 LG phones. If you guys know what to do with broken phones, because obviously you can see this one's broken, it's got a cracked screen. I heard about a little bin where you can put broken phones in at Walmart and get cash for them. I'm not sure if that's really true. So if it is, please let me know. But I've got these phones that I'm going to try to figure out what to do with as well. So I'm going to investigate the Walmart thing. And if you guys do know anything about it, please let me know in the comment section below. So you see a lot of brown boxes in front of me. Part of it's because some of these things were without the original box. And so I bubble wrapped them, and then I put them in a box, and then I put my Amazon barcode label on it. So all of this stuff here is already labeled, ready to go to Amazon. I think it's about maybe 20 or 30 items. And this actually equals out to a total profit of about $160. And so I am going to make some of that money up that I ended up spending extra. And so I'm right around about $200 in profit on some of the stuff that I got from the storage unit. So this one is actually, it's an Xbox chat pad. It plugs into my Xbox controller for chatting. It's actually a keyboard. This is a Sonic the Hedgehog 2 cartridge for the Sega. I've got some pool. I've got some games, Peanuts movie, ice cube trays, some puzzles. This is like an outlet thing. So a lot of different things that are going to go into it. I'm going to come around this way because you see these 2 totes right in front. This is all the clothing that I felt like was in really good condition. I did donate a lot of the clothing, and then some clothing I just had to throw away because there were holes in it and stains on it and things like that. So I'm real picky on what I put in. So I've got a lot of hats here. And remember, we bought that one storage unit based on hats. And then this one here has a lot of my other types of clothing. So I've got some really nice, in good condition jeans and some really pretty tops in here of varying different things. Some really nice, like here's a really pretty leather purse that we found in the storage unit. So these are all things that will probably go on my Poshmark store just because they're in really good, pristine condition. So I wanted to give you an update. So it looks like just on Amazon alone, I'm going to make about $160. I'm going to list all that stuff on eBay. And so I think at the very least with my kind of purchase and oops, I had to pay to get rid of it, a lot of the trash and stuff like that, I should break even, maybe even make a few bucks. But, I've already purchased the stuff. I might as well get some money out of it now. So there's my update on my Storage Wars excursion. And if you have not seen any of the storage locker unit videos, I'll tag a couple at the end, and they usually are in consecutive order. So check those out. Check out the landfill one. And if you guys have any questions or want consultations on me giving you any advice on how to sell online and what's worked for me and some of the faux pas that I make, you can kind of talk to me about that, and I have consultations available for you guys to be able to chat with me. So check out my website at hookedonpickin.com, and if you want any of these items, they'll be on my Amazon, eBay, Poshmark store, and also my hookedonpickin.com website, and all that's down in the description below. All right, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.